everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code WC-34737-4. The credit card information is invalid. So what we want to do to get this to work is go to settings right here and go to account management. And then go to account information. Now we need to add the correct details for our credit card to our PlayStation 4 account. So the first thing we want to do is go to address right here and change the address and verify this on our PlayStation 4 account. So make sure your city that you enter is the correct city, and maybe if that's a little bit different than the actual location of your credit card that you're using on your account, you could try changing the address to the current address of where your credit card is located. So maybe that is causing the issue. And then we can go up to where it says wallet, and we can go to this, and we can go to our credit card, our payment methods right here, and just make sure we are adding in the same area that we have located on our PlayStation account. So if we are trying to use a credit card from the UK or something like that, and we're in the United States, that could be a reason why it's not working. You need a credit card from your current region that your PlayStation 4 account is selected in. And then what we could do is just delete the credit card and then re-add it right here. And then just add the correct information in once again. So make sure you get the security code on the back of the PlayStation, the credit card, and then just add that in here and then enter in the same address. So that's probably the most important part. You might be adding something in from a different region or something like that. Then also your bank could be denying your credit card purchase. Maybe it thinks it's fraud or something like that for whatever reason. So the easiest way to kind of get around this is maybe our credit card isn't working, but we can still like add funds to our wallet. So if we tried buying something through the PlayStation Store and we go to our wallet balance or our wallet, and we can add funds, and we can just try doing that. Sometimes that works. So here's wallet. Just go down to add funds and see if you can add the funds still, even though you can't purchase something through the PlayStation Store. Otherwise, if you have your credit card linked to PayPal, you can just add your PayPal account, which works too for some reason. So you also can just buy a gift card from like Amazon.com or something and enter that in and add your funds through there. But what I've been doing is just using my phone app. So I got the PlayStation app on my phone. Just go to the Google Play Store, get the PlayStation app, sign in, and then you can just go to the PlayStation Store, and then you can purchase everything on here. And then you can add your credit card under payment methods for this as well. So just go to payment methods, and sometimes just doing it on a different device will actually get it to work. So I can add a payment method on my phone, purchase and buy things on my phone, and completely bypass the PlayStation 4. And then what I can do is to download them is just go back to the home screen, going down to library, go to the purchase section right here, and then anything you download to your account, you can buy and you can download right here. So purchase, download the game. It should show up under here now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.